If you're an avid camper or a barbecue enthusiast, you know the importance of having reliable, high-quality cookware that can handle the rigors of outdoor cooking. That's where this Overmont 6 Quart Camp Dutch Oven comes in, an incredibly versatile, pre-seasoned cast iron pot that is built to make your cooking experience easier, more efficient, and most importantly, delicious. Why you'll love the Overmont 6 Quart Camp Dutch Oven. The Overmont Dutch Oven isn't just any camping cookware. It's a durable, multifunctional tool that will serve you well whether you're cooking over an open fire or preparing a delicious dinner at home. Let's take a closer look at what makes this Dutch oven stand out. Key features and benefits. Pre-seasoned cast iron for safe, non-toxic cooking. The Overmont Dutch Oven is pre-seasoned, so it has a naturally non-stick surface without the need for toxic chemicals. This is important not just for your health, but also for achieving perfectly cooked meals. You can rely on this pot for frying, baking, or roasting, knowing that it won't leach harmful substances into your food. All-in-one design. The unique design features integral legs on both the pot and lid, which make it ideal for cooking over a campfire. What's even better? The lid doubles as a skillet, giving you even more versatility. Whether you're making a hearty stew, deep-frying chicken, or baking bread, this Dutch oven can handle it all. Energy-efficient cooking. Cast iron is known for its excellent heat retention. This makes the Overmont Dutch Oven incredibly efficient when cooking over an open flame or in the oven. The heat distribution is even, ensuring that your food cooks thoroughly every time. Plus, the good seal on the pot traps heat, which helps reduce cooking time and energy use. Durable and built to last. Made from premium cast iron, this Dutch oven is built to withstand the test of time. It's not just a camping accessory, it's a lifetime investment. If cared for properly, this pot can last for generations, making it an invaluable addition to your kitchen or camping gear. It's one of the few pieces of cookware you can pass down. Lid lifter for safe cooking. The lid lifter included with this Dutch oven makes it easy to lift the heavy lid without the risk of burning yourself. The durable handle also allows you to hang the oven over an open fire, making outdoor cooking more accessible and safe. Easy cleaning and maintenance. Unlike other camping cookware, cleaning and maintaining the Overmont Dutch Oven is simple. After cooking, just dry the pot completely and lightly oil the inside while it's still warm. This helps prevent rust and keeps the seasoning intact, ensuring your pot is ready for the next adventure. Pros: versatile lid, skillet plus pot, durable, long-lasting cast iron, energy-efficient heat retention. Non-toxic, pre-seasoned surface, easy to clean and maintain. Cons: heavy and bulky, needs proper care to avoid rust. Larger size may be too big for small meals. Why choose Overmont 6 Quart Camp Dutch Oven? This Dutch oven is more than just a piece of camping equipment. It's a lifetime companion. Whether you're preparing gourmet meals on the trail, roasting a chicken over an open fire, or baking your favorite desserts, the Overmont Dutch Oven will make sure your food is always cooked to perfection. The versatile lid that doubles as a skillet and the integral legs that make cooking over the fire a breeze are just some of the thoughtful design features that set this oven apart. Additionally, the energy-saving features ensure that cooking over the campfire won't waste your fuel or time. The even heat distribution and excellent heat retention give you the confidence to cook like a pro, even if you're a beginner. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and home cooks alike. This Dutch oven is perfect for anyone who loves outdoor cooking. It's designed with campers, hikers, barbecue lovers, and home cooks in mind. If you're someone who enjoys cooking on the go or wants to take your outdoor cooking to the next level, the Overmont 6 Quart Camp Dutch Oven will be your new best friend. The Overmont 6 Quart Camp Dutch Oven is the ideal cooking tool for all your outdoor adventures. Crafted from high-quality pre-seasoned cast iron, it promises efficient cooking with even heat distribution. The included lid lifter and versatile lid that doubles as a skillet make it the perfect all-in-one solution. Whether you're frying, baking, or roasting, this Dutch oven will exceed your expectations and provide you with a lifetime of cooking joy. Perfect for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, this durable and eco-friendly pot is ready for your next barbecue or camping trip. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.